Right, I'm over by Goetre school in the Goetre, and I'm taking you down to the Goetre football field. I've had my eye on these couple of fields for a while. As we know, the Roman roads in there. Used to be a big mound down there, and line of satellite photos on Google Earth are showing possible Roman roads going up here, maybe buildings down there. But we've had some really, well, it's almost an heat wave here the last couple of months. Now in July, and what I've noticed is this bit of thing on the football field, all that is green, normal, and it's almost like straight lines and all yellow patch marks. As you know, we've got a big ditch going round there and turns here. So, but the ditch seems to stop where it's been filled in, obviously for the football pitch, but they haven't filled it in here. So I got a mate Simon coming now with a drone camera, so we're going to put it up, see if we can get some aerial shots of this now with this, like I said, heat wave, and see if we can see anything else. Yeah, but there also seems to be like walls going across that way. I don't know if you can see anything on when I'm filming. I can't see nothing because the sun's so bright at the moment. But as you can see, the yard over there, as you put it, and the level of this would have gone straight across. But when Goetre built the school, they've dug all that earth away. So what was there before, we do not know. But the old trackway is more or less where that ditch is. Comes up through the park, and it says old trackway is going up here, going all the way up to the Goetre farm, where it says Roman road is documented. It goes on to Ponstig, Vane, etc. But as you can see here now, I'll take you down, and how good you can see it with the sun. Like I said, but I'll keep filming. Like you said, you can see a massive ditch going on there, and then the ditch curves and goes across here. So this is basically the corner of the ditch, so I'll take you from there. Like I said, you see down there, and then if we turn to this angle, you see the ditch going that way. Like I said, why you stop there, I'm guessing it's been filled in, but then patch marks should have maybe, I don't know, showed the ditch up. But this one's massive, so I don't know whether they never filled it in, if it's just for water maybe off the field. But where this ditch is, it goes down, the ditch is going down into the woodland area where the Roman road is. So, strange one. But like I said, this bank just going down wouldn't originally be like that. Because if you look at that level over there, this level here, that's how much they've taken out. About 10 foot deep. I mean, all that, which would have come up as a bank. So, but like I said, a big massive ditch. You can right down in it here. See how deep it is. But you can see the patch marks which I'm standing on now. Obviously you see the trackways. But why this area has come out really parched, I don't know. If you look here, in that area, we've got almost a straight line of yellow here, which is, I don't know, strange. And then we got green, and then we got another long straight line of yellow. So you can't really see nothing from this level here. And then pretty straight, the football field obviously has been, you know, levelled. You can see the earth on here. But over in that area, there's always been a sinkhole by the goals, which I'll show you in a bit. And there looks like square buildings and the sinkholes on certain pictures. But that's a bit for now. There's not much you can see here, like I said. But it's just certain square. We're looking from all over this other side now. It's a Roman road in there, which is already documented, so I want to take one there today. Also on one picture I got, there's a big huge round circle in this area. Can't see nothing at the moment. But hopefully when this drone goes up, it might show us, give us a few more clues if there's anything here. But that's about it, I think, until Simon comes. Let's just take you down now, just to show you where this ditch goes, continues. There's the ditch, obviously it needs to go cleaning. That ditch goes straight down there into the thing, woodland area, like I said. But that's about it, till we get the drone up. Right, I'm coming up the opposite end goals where the pass mark is. Square looking builderish pass mark, I'll call it. And I'm up to the other goals here. If I turn around past the bushes there, was on an old map as well, which we yet to find. Got a rough idea, but that'll be another video where it is. Over the wall, with the Roman roads in front of us and then bushes. Over the wall is the ancient Bryncay and Wimpar farm. And Bryncay and Wimpar would have been over there, but the farm would have been behind us. Which possibly we've had Bronze Age, Roman and medieval stuff off our farm. But this feature here, this has been here since I was a kid, over 40 years ago. Always a sinkhole here, always full of water in winter times. Always water, big pool of water. Said the sun has really dried it out today now. But looking at, like I say, a couple of Google Earth pictures, and it looks like a square building in here, and it does look like a temple shape, a square in a square. But the odds on a temple will never be my much luck. But who knows? But we might get some geophysics on it one day. I'm hoping the drone to see something. I can't see much yet, only a sinkhole today. And then see this old fence line going up here. Said the well was over there. But what I've noticed, just having a little nose around here, is these big square stones. All are cut. That's been cut. You can see it. There's one in there. There's another one in there. I'll show you a few now. There's concrete. Another big square one. More stones. Another big square one. Concrete. Big square one. That's a massive one, that is. This huge one here, absolutely massive stone. And what I found when I followed this fence line is, I've been able to shovel up here, I've been smashing the floor, stones. So I think when they've been digging the holes out to put the fence in, they've been coming across possible walls or something, and they've been digging them out. Massive stone. Massive stone. I mean, these stones aren't appearing from nowhere. Massive stone. These go all the way up. I said most of them been cut and square, like you see behind now. Another one here, that's been cut. Get out the shadow, cut. Another one here. How square that is, cut, bought here. Where's an old farm wall? Who knows? But I'm back up the car now. Something in there. Big mounds. Where it was just a separated border wall for farms in the old days. I don't know. This one. This is a lovely stone. This one. Cut again. Massive. Like I said, these stones are brought in for something. Usually that's where they're building. Trees again, stones in there. So what's underneath all this, we don't know. I said this bank was made when they built the Goetre. But here we go. More stones again. Perfect example. Slate stone. Big massive. Probably a floor there. Like I said on the LiDAR, there's seems like walls going in this way, but who knows. But that's about it. That's the old lap of it, if you want to call it that, till the drone man turns up.